All right, good evening, everybody. This is a quick run through of the ALC Finance mobile app, and for new users of the app, please try after try and install the application, and for new users, you're expected to sign up and fill all this necessary information and once you finish signing up, it will sign you automatically into the app. For existing user, you can click on existing user. I mean, people that are already on the Bank One application before now, existing ALC Finance customers that have been given their username and all can sign in over here. And for if you've created your account, all you need to do is click your sign in. So on your first sign in, you'll be prompted to, if you have say fingerprint or biometrics on your device, it will ask you to enable biometrics sign in. So you don't need to be typing your password every time. So all you need to do is just log in with your fingerprint, and it automatically authenticates you and sign you in. So we've gotten that working. So the next thing that happens once you create an account is it will assign you two accounts. The first account there is the ALC Finance account, which is connected to the Bank One application. So automatically whatever account is here should match with what you have in the account number in the Bank One application. And the second one is the wallet account that was generated because of the connectivity with Wema Bank. It's actually a live account, so you can use it to receive money and make transfer and whatever you want to do. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, so these are the modules that are currently within the app. You have the fund account, you have the create and manage investment module, you have fund transfer, you have loan application module. So for the fund your account for new users, we're still in debug mode, so you can fund your wallet with virtual money, not real money though. So currently I've topped up and exhausted my limit for the day, but all you just need to do is put the amount that you want to top up. I suggest you put a high figure like 200k, 200,000. Select your amount and click make payment. I suggest you use this USSD for test purpose. I've tried with GT Bank, it works. So you select GT Bank, you click pay with USSD, click continue, and then I've exceeded my limit, as you can see. But then a shortcode will pop up, and then you see I have made payment. You just click on the button, and once you do that, it will automatically fund your wallet for you. So the essence of that is so that you can try and create investments, so that you can test out the investment module as well. So you click on the investment button, and then it takes you to the investment page. So it takes this time. The loading you've been witnessing is because it's communicating with the Bank One application, so it takes a little bit of time. So I'll pick one of those. We have 4 investment currently in the app. I believe we're going to be updating them later on. So you have term investment and all. Account units and risk management, I would want you guys to pay attention to the calculation, because I want to believe it's not totally accurate. So you guys can give us the accurate figure so we can relay it back to the developers. But let's say I want to make a term investment of 100,000 naira. You can see the calculation is the liquidation rate is showing 1.33%. I don't know if that's correct, but then the interest on investment is showing 25,000, which I don't want to believe is correct. I can select the months. Currently there's only 3 months, and I don't know if that's the maximum amount of months for term investment. If not, we need to increase it. So I select 3 months, and then I will submit my request. So once I submit, what happens is that it deducts 100,000 naira from my wallet, and investment created successfully for the customer. So what it means is that 599 should have reduced by now to 499, And then if I click on my investment tab down here, what happened is I'm going to see a list of all the investments that I have within the application. So you can see down here I have 10 term investments, and it's trying to load up. Okay, so I took it for 3 months, and you can see the breakdown of my investments. And I don't know why the due date is not accurate or calculated, but you can see that the investment has been created. Okay, so back to the homepage. You have this carousel. We have three carousels here. One is for the wallets. The second one is for loans. So if you're taking loans, this is where all the information about your loans will be. And then if you come to the third one, this is your investment carousel. So this is a total of all the investments that I've made so far on the ALC Finance mobile app. As you can, if you check here, if we calculate all those figures together, you see that it will amount to the same 450,000 naira. So that's for the investment. The loan actually is working on demo mode, not on the live mode. So what happened is because of the let me see, because of the background checks and the APIs that they need for background check that are still in they're still working on the modalities to get it working. That's why this mobile the loan module is currently not working. So we are going to put pressure on them to ensure that they get this running as well. And then for the utility, you can do your recharge card. Have tested it, is working. You can do mobile recharge on it. I have not tested the electricity bill though, but I'm sure we'll do that, or somebody can also try and recharge and give us feedback if they've been successful in making recharge or DSTV subscription. And then the last one is your profile. You can see a run through of your profile in case you need to correct some information. And please also ensure, I think I had one small issue with putting my name as it appears on my BVN. So in case you're having issues with logging in or creating the correct signing up and you're having issue, please ensure that the way your names are presented in your BVN is how you sign up, so that you don't have issues with registration. I believe that's all so far. Please run through the application and let me know if there's something else that I have not touched. And then please try and, as much as possible, to fill the form so that we can use that to collate all feedbacks and then push back to the mobile app developers. Thank you.